Divi has just released a brand new feature called Divi Quick Access. Now, this feature is fantastic because it allows you to access all your design options fast. Now, without wasting a lot of time, let me show you this brand new feature and how it works. Now, before we get started, I'd like to let you know that if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, I will give you access to my Divi Blueprint 3 course absolutely free. Now, all you have to do is to send me your receipt and I will give you access to that course. Today's tutorial is brought to you by divicake.com. Check out their huge selection of Divi themes, layouts, and plugins. The link is in the description below. Okay, so I'm here on my landing page. So the first thing I'm going to do is to enable my visual builder. So I'm going to enable it. So right off the bat, you don't really see the main update. So let me show you where this update is. So if I go into any of these modules, like for example, I'm going to go into this module right here. This is the call to action module. When I mouse over this area here, we see that we have this paintbrush. Now this is the quick access. So if I click here, notice what happens on the left pane here. This now shows me exactly what I need to make my adjustments. So as you can see, my text size here, I can just start increasing it here if I wanted to. And I've got also my letter spacing. So the beauty of this is it gives you quick access to what you need to go in and make the changes to straight away without going through the list of things here. Because as you can see, as before, when you go through this list, I mean, you're just trying to find what to make changes to, and this can take a long time. And this is why this update really saves you a lot of time. So let's do this one more time to a different module. So this time I'm going to go to, let's come over here. So I'm going to go into my module settings and we can see here that we have our H2 and our paragraph text. So if I mouse over this area here, let's say I want to make changes to my paragraph text. All I have to do is to click here on this little paintbrush and this takes me directly to what I need to edit here. And notice here on the top as well, it takes me to the tab and I am now ready to make my changes. So now I can increase my size if I want to, and I can also adjust the line height just like that. So this applies to all the modules that we have on our website. So you can see here, if I go to my row settings, we don't get that option. So this only applies to the modules. Right, so right now I'm taking a look at a pre-made layout. So let's say I want to add something brand new. So let's add a new section over here just by clicking this plus button. I'm going to click on regular. So I'm going to choose this one right here, 3 columns. And in this column, I'm going to add a blurb just like that. Okay, I'm going to make a few adjustments to this so that we can go in and make our changes. So first of all, I'm going to come to image and icon. I'm going to activate my icon here and let's see what icon we can use. Let's say this one right here. Okay, so that's my icon. So now if I come over here and let's say I need to go and start editing my paragraph text here. Before we used to come over here to design and then we start going through the whole list of things that we need to make changes to. But notice now that if I just mouse over this area here, I just go directly to what I need to make changes to, and it shows me what is relevant to these things that I need to make changes to. So straight away, I can go in, I can change my size, my text size. I can also change my line height if I wanted to, just like that. And let's say I'm done making changes to this, and the next thing I need to make changes to is this icon. So all I have to do now is to click here on this little brush, and then it takes me straight away here to my icon. So now I can make my changes, put that icon in a circle, for example, change my circle color, and I can also adjust my size just by doing that. So as I'm designing, let's say I need to quickly go in and make changes to something else, right? All I have to do is to go into this little brush just like that, and then I can start making my adjustments. So you can see that straight away I've increased the speed of my workflow just by going into this quick access mode. So I really love this update. It's fantastic. Right, so I'm going to save this. So here, let's add a different module. So I'm going to come over here and this time I'm going to add, let's say, a call to action. So I'm just going to add a link here so that our button shows just like that. Right, so now that I have all that in there, notice that I'm in my content tab. So if I mouse over this area, it's showing me where I can go in quickly and make those changes. So let's say I need to go straight to my button and change those settings. I can click here and straight away I can go and activate my styles for my button and I can start making changes to that. So I think this is a fantastic update. Go ahead, update and start using it right away. And as I mentioned, this also makes it even better and faster if you copy and paste your styles as you're designing your website. So this update is available. Go ahead and update right now. And again, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, I will give you access to my Divi course absolutely free. So this will help you kickstart your design process. Today's tutorial is brought to you by divicake.com. Check out their huge selection of Divi themes, layouts, and plugins. The link is in the description below. So that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and also the bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified every time I release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.